reggae music in the back. All right, guys. So here is my chef. He is at work today. He is doing his thing. So what's on the menu?
Fried dumpling, we got oxtail, jerk chicken, we got lambs.
Got everything. Yes. Yeah. Yes, look at that. Look at that. I guess we'll show them the lamb since that's already done. The lamb is already done.
Oxtail pre-cooked, waiting to cook down.
Oxtails pre-cooked. You said they have to cook down. Yes. And over there. And got jerk chicken on the grill. Yummy. That's what you're talking about, real jerk chicken.
Yeah,
you have to grill it. It's not over the stove or in the oven.
Been on there for a couple hours.
Oh, yeah. What y'all know about that?